Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing fluffy white clouds. Now imagine if we could encourage those clouds to release rain. That's the basic idea behind cloud seeding, a way for humans to influence the weather. Cloud seeding is like a rain dance, but instead of dancing, we use science. It's a method of weather modification that aims to increase precipitation, which is just a fancy word for rain, snow, or hail. While it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, it's a technology that's being used around the world today. Cloud seeding is particularly important in regions facing droughts or severe air pollution. By potentially increasing rainfall, it offers a glimmer of hope for replenishing water resources and cleaning the air we breathe. So how does this rain-making technology actually work? It all starts with clouds. Not all clouds are the same. Some are full of tiny water droplets, while others are made up of ice crystals. Cloud seeding targets clouds that have a good amount of moisture but need a little push to release it as rain. Scientists use special materials like silver iodide or potassium iodide, which act like tiny seeds for raindrops to form around. These seeds are dispersed into the clouds using airplanes, ground-based generators, or even rockets. Once inside the cloud, the silver iodide particles provide a surface for the water vapor to condense around, growing larger and heavier until they fall as rain or snow. In recent years, cloud seeding has gained attention for its potential to combat air pollution, particularly smog. Smog is a type of air pollution that hangs like a thick blanket over cities, causing respiratory problems and other health issues. The idea is that by inducing rainfall, cloud seeding can help wash out pollutants from the air. Rainwater can trap smog particles and bring them down to the ground, providing temporary relief from hazardous air quality. However, the effectiveness of cloud seeding for smog reduction is still a topic of debate among scientists. While some studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to determine its long-term impacts and overall effectiveness. And India and Pakistan, two countries grappling with severe air pollution, have been exploring cloud seeding as a potential tool for improving air quality. In India, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, home to millions of people, experiences some of the worst smog episodes in the world, especially during the winter months. The Indian government has conducted cloud seeding experiments to induce rainfall and mitigate the harmful effects of smog. Similarly, Pakistan, facing its own share of air pollution woes, has turned to cloud seeding as part of its smog mitigation efforts. For example, the city of Lahore, plagued by hazardous levels of smog, has experimented with cloud seeding to improve air quality and protect public health. Section 5. The two sides of the coin: benefits and concerns. Like any technology, cloud seeding has its potential benefits and drawbacks. On the one hand, it offers a way to potentially increase rainfall in water-scarce regions, which can be a lifeline for agriculture and communities facing drought. It also holds promise for mitigating air pollution by removing pollutants from the atmosphere, at least temporarily. In regions struggling with severe smog, cloud seeding could offer a much-needed respite from hazardous air quality. However, there are concerns about the potential environmental impacts of cloud seeding. Some experts worry that introducing chemicals like silver iodide into the atmosphere could have unintended consequences on ecosystems and human health. The smog monster's footprint, health and economy take a hit. Smog isn't just a nuisance, it's a serious threat to human health and the economy. The tiny particles in smog can penetrate deep into our lungs, causing respiratory problems like asthma, bronchitis, and even lung cancer. Children, the elderly, and people with pre-existing respiratory conditions are particularly vulnerable to the harmful effects of smog. Inhaling smog can irritate the airways, trigger asthma attacks, and reduce lung function, leading to hospitalizations and even premature deaths. Beyond health, smog takes a toll on the economy. Smog days often lead to school closures, reduced productivity, and increased healthcare costs. Beyond a quick-fix, long-term solutions for a healthier planet. While cloud seeding might offer temporary relief from smog, it's important to remember that it's not a permanent solution. Addressing the root causes of air pollution requires a multifaceted approach and a commitment to long-term solutions. One crucial step is transitioning to cleaner sources of energy. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels like coal and oil, which release harmful pollutants when burned, is essential for improving air quality. Promoting energy efficiency, investing in public transportation, and implementing stricter emission standards for vehicles and industries are also vital steps in the right direction. Cloud seeding, a small step in a bigger environmental picture. Cloud seeding exemplifies the complex relationship between humans and the environment. It highlights our desire to control and manipulate natural processes to address pressing issues like drought and air pollution. However, it also reminds us of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the potential for unintended consequences. As we continue to explore technologies like cloud seeding, it's crucial to proceed with caution, considering both the potential benefits and risks. Ultimately, addressing global challenges like climate change, water scarcity, and air pollution requires a holistic approach that combines technological innovation with responsible environmental stewardship. Conclusion: towards a future with cleaner air. Cloud seeding, with its ability to influence the weather, offers a glimpse into the possibilities and challenges of human intervention in natural processes. While it holds promise as a tool for increasing rainfall and potentially mitigating air pollution, it's not a silver bullet solution. As we navigate an increasingly complex environmental landscape, it's essential to embrace a balanced approach that combines technological advancements like cloud seeding with sustainable practices and a commitment to protecting our planet for future generations. By working together, we can strive towards a future where clean air, clean water, and a healthy environment are not just aspirations, but a reality for all.